We are starting a weekend batch in the art of investing today. So those who would like to enroll can get in touch with us. The WhatsApp number is 982-086-1044, and we'll be covering the market outlook, what lies ahead for stocks, bonds, commodities in this week and beyond. There's a great amount of scare because Dow Jones has been rattled last week. Both Thursday and Friday were terrible days, sharp fall in technology shares, and there is concern that this may be the beginning of a correction, or whether this was something which was just a short-term downward trend. So we'll be covering all this in this batch starting today. It's a weekend course, Saturday, Sunday only. You can attend for either two weekend course, or you can attend a 3 weekends course. Only difference is the intensity. So we cover the market outlook, good stocks to invest in, and how we go about investing. Also, you'll be covering the other asset classes like oil, gold, silver, which are good to invest in at this point of time, whether the rally is still there, and especially whether the stock market rally is running out of steam or there is more rise yet to come. All this scientifically. Either you can join the 2-week program or the 3-week program. So get in touch with us at 982-086-1044. Thank you.